No crack liner.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we're off to Drivers HQ for their new coffee morning in Ilkeston, but for this video we've stopped off at the Moonbeam at Ilkeston, and basically we've brought the Mondeo, as you can see in the background, okay, and we're going to safely wash it because we can't go to a detailing place with a dirty car. So yeah, we're just queuing up at the Moonbeam in Ilkeston. I need to give these cars a really good clean. As you can see, they're filthy. They've not been washed this year, and it is the 1st of March, so it is the start of spring. So we're going to try that bay. He just said that that one isn't working for his card, but we'll get the car in. Right guys, as you can hear, it's very noisy in here. You saw on the previous video, you choose how long you want and basically tap your card, and then you can choose that. It is £1 a minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to go 2 minutes for the snow foam, right, and rinse it off, and then basically I'm going to get my bucket out, which you've seen earlier, and wash it with the wash mitt. And this is a lot safer than using these brushes. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go for a quick wheel cleaner. Red hose, red hose, red hose. Remember, we've only got 2 minutes. Okay, that's not working. Scrap that. We've got foam trigger. White hose. White hose. Is this the white hose? Now get the snow foam on there. Give it a quick rinse off. That gets rid of all the contaminants. And then we can use the wash mitt that we brought along. So we've already used a minute, so we need to speed up a bit. Right, so we want 6, number 6, standard rinse, blue hose. It's a lot better when there's no ice on the floor. Hey. "27 seconds. Yeah, we ran out of time. We could do with another minute. Let's go for another minute. Oh, you have to do it in 2 minutes. God, I'm so tight. Right, number 6. I'd rather spend another £2 than scratch all the dirt in. It might be a bit different in summertime when the cars stay a lot cleaner. Okay. probably could have done with some pre-wash on it, really. Right then guys, let's get this bucket out. As you can see, I strapped it in. Sorry for the state of the car, it does need a really good clean. But yeah, how to safely wash your car at a jet wash. I'm using Auto Bright Direct Banana Gloss, which is a very suddy shampoo. I really like it. So shout out to them. I use all their products, to be fair. Not sponsored by them. But if they wanted to do some sponsorship, then get in touch. So yeah, get all this washed off. We've even brought a drying towel with us, ladies and gentlemen. And obviously what the plan of attack is to put another £2 in, rinse it off, get some wax on it. We had a nice steady drive here, so we didn't spill any of the water. I must get, you can get lids for these buckets. Which will be a lot better. Because obviously you don't have to worry about spilling anything then. I know quite a few of you went to use the Langley Mill one after watching the previous video. And I would say they are really popular because we had to queue up this morning for this. Getting them corners. I mean, obviously, really, when we're at home, if you want to go to the extreme of the 2 bucket method, but obviously this is a lot better than using the brush. I've never put a brush on this car. Bit of a workout for a Sunday morning, but we're nearly there. Yeah, I didn't plan to do the video. I said to Mel, I says, well, if we're going there, I can't go with a dirty car. Then I realised that somebody said to me that there's one of these moonbeams in Ilkeston, and that's where we are. So I thought, I did promise you all that I'd come back again. Right, so another £2 in then, guys. and we want standard rinse, which is the blue hose over here. That's another 2 minutes. Right, have we got time for a little bit of wax? 39 seconds, come on. Number 7, wax. Oh no, the bar's got crossed. There we go. Release now. That's it, ladies and gents. Blue hose into the blue holder. And we'll get the car off the wash bay, guys. But yeah, she's looking smart. The sun's shining, the car meters are back on. Let's go and have it, guys. Right, let's get off the bay, go park up and give it a bit of a drying towel, see what it comes up like. There isn't much parking over here. I ain't got a clue where I'm going to park. Maybe here? Or maybe I should have gone around there where them lot are, look. Oh, good turnout today for a... This was only mentioned last night, and there's loads here. So it should be a good day. I want to back in here, out of the way, because I want to get my drying towel on. We'll stick it just here, sort of in the shade. That'll do. Good morning! Good morning! Let's go see how Mel's getting on. How are you getting on? You could do with a bit more water in there. And she's still got 24 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna fill, we'll have 20 seconds of free water to top this bucket up. I better spray that off. There you go. Right, where does this go? Oh. It's very tight in here. So we'll grab the drying towel and we'll go dry the Monday off. So we've got the gang to the right of us, all ready for HQ. Just going to give the Monday a quick wipe, dry out with the drying towel. But she's already looking loads better. Nice to give it a quick bath after the winter. Yeah, look at that shine, just for a quick wash. It's a jet wash. You won't get no streaks or anything. Ta-da! Yeah, she's looking all right actually. Come up quite well. Oh no! No! At least I've dried it off. But yeah, lovely result. That's a nice Mini there, look. Sounds throaty. I bet he's going driver's HQ as well. Although he's not bothered to dry it off. Right then guys, as you can see, and I've seen, it's well worth coming down to Moonbeam, either Ilkeston or Langley Mill. No ice and snow today. Mel's just finishing her car up now. Obviously you can use the brushes if you want, but just didn't want to, you know, put swirl marks on the cars and stuff. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments guys. Make sure you like and subscribe for the next video coming, which is the Drivers HQ coffee morning, which we're off to now. Thanks for watching guys. Good old Biddy making noise.